on the drift car. Making a panel. This is where the center console is. This is where normally a radio goes. I'm gonna be making a panel out of ABS plastic, and the switch panel is probably gonna sit in the middle. It'll be an ABS plastic sheet in the back, black, and here is the ABS plastic that I'm gonna be using. I'm not sure if I wanna use the rough edge or rough side or use the smooth side. I'm gonna be using a jigsaw to cut. Should have clamps for this, but I don't. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna clean this here in a sec. Right here. The panel. It's gonna go right in there, right in this area. And then the way I'm doing it, since the back of this piece has no mounting points, and I can't just put this on there, there's nothing that's gonna be able to hold it. What I'm gonna do is, like a double DIN radio, the way the double DIN radio is, I'm gonna just right in there. So steering column is about 99% in. I gotta do one more thing on that. Then I gotta fix the angle of the steering wheel, because when I put the hub and everything on, I put it kind of slanted. All right, so I want to see if I can put it on this mount here. I might have to shave some of these plastic pieces off, because the overlay, the over shroud thing that goes over, clips in here and clips in here. So if I put this on and cut like a square here, a square here, then this will fit more flush, and then the other piece can go on top. So I cut it a little bit bigger now so that I can kind of get the piece on a little better, because I'm trying to see what are my options first before I go ahead. Because I mean, if worse come to worse and it doesn't work this way I'm doing it, I could always cut it smaller and put it in here, and then use risers to bring it up forward. So that'll sit like that. Main goal behind this is to put this behind, right? This in the middle. So in theory, this will be sitting sort of right here. I'm gonna put that, I think I'm gonna put this on hold for now. I don't want to. I'm gonna have to find a way to cut. So it actually looks good. I have to cut a chunk of this off. Okay. I'm gonna have to trim it a little bit, but when I trim it, I'll probably use Still need to fix that a little bit so this will clip in. But this is V1 right here. Version 2, I'll be making a fiberglass mold, replicating this in carbon fiber, and this technically will be closed and this part will sit on top. So this is how the interior is sitting at the moment. I have the Switch Pros 9100 here. This is the V1, version 1 of the way it's going to be sitting here. Version 2, it's going to be blocked off and there's going to be an indentation for this, which will be something I get custom made later on. But for now, this is how it's going to look. Got this DND steering wheel. Put the stock gauge back in, a couple of stock pieces in just to make the car look a little more full, I guess you can say. Still not sure what I'm gonna do in this area here. I'm not even sure if, you know, what panels I'm gonna put back on. It's gonna have door cards when I put the other doors on here. I'm thinking about putting the carpet back in. I'm not 100% sure. This is still like a drift street car, full drift build in a sense. Gonna fab up something later on for the shifter and the Chase Bays handbrake. Also have to fix the wires that go from the battery to the front. Gotta find some little clips or mounting things to kind of clean this up a little bit, even though it's pretty decent right now. Then I have the Switch Pros box right there, and then from there it should be running. I'll be running the cables somewhere here, possibly here, down here, and then coming up here, and then it'll go up there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run the wires or the lines. Yeah, the wires through here and bring it through the back. It would all depend on how much feet of wire I have. But those are the C brackets there. I have to order the rails, then I can put those on. Still got some cleaning to do, but overall the build is starting to take shape, starting to take form, and I hope you guys are enjoying these small videos that I've been releasing. Many more to come. I will try to do an upload every 3 to 4 days. But thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like, share it, comment, leave me some constructive criticism, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.